Yo, this girl Shaniki Williams. The girl must think so. We forget what she and Dan Query did. Boy, Jamaica really. This girl went in friggin' like, who wants you to represent Jamaica? Really, the audacity. I mean, you caught up in a rape scandal, right? Involving two minors, one who was touched and one who was raped. Big politician boy Don Creary with $1 million lifestyle. He had enough money to hire high-powered attorneys to clean up his name, to get him. You already know how Jamaica run everybody. Like, if you're a high-powered politician or associated with a certain clique, crew, group of people, then you can pretty much get away with anything in Jamaica, right? All right. So, for those of you who don't know, here's this girl, Shaniki Williams, who decides that she wants to represent Jamaica in the Jamaica Miss World pageant. Now, here's the catch. She was one of the girls that was, she was the girl that was involved in the whole rape scandal thing with the politician Don Query and the underage 15-year-old little girl. What them said, them drug her off, drug the 15-year-old girl, or drink-induced rape. So them give her enough drinks to drink then, put something in the drinks then, and sexually assaulted her, right? The little girl even went on to say that Shaniki Williams hold her down and make Dan Query penetrate her. In my mind, I want big dirty threesome them carry the girl go have, you know. And you can't imagine this guy has money, so he probably say, yo, I want a girl there, and he used Shaniki to actually pull her in. Me and Brains and the Beat was having this discussion yesterday, and Brains I said, them dirty and nasty because it's a 12-year-old girl. Well, the girl was 15. But I'm saying, even if the girl was 12, she know what go on. Nobody couldn't draw me when me at 12 years old. Nobody couldn't touch me in my private parts at 12 years old, and I didn't know what the hell was happening. So, as much as, and I mean, I'm not blaming the victim here, but we need to stop making excuses for people who are underage at a certain level, because we expect them to be intelligent, so we can't go around making excuses. Oh, my 12-year-old didn't know what was happening to her. She well know what happened to her. 12-year-old girl in Jamaica right now have breast and body with big like big woman. A man of it, somebody have to tell a man, say, yo, leave the little girl, she at 12. I've seen them before. A man have to say, 12? Really? That girl there at 12? No, man. No. Show me some papers. So, there are 12-year-old girls out there with big breasts and big body and all that. Withstanding that though, you're a grown-ass man. You can't tell me say you run up in a no 12, 13, 14, 15-year-old girl, take off them clothes, sex them off, without knowing their age. Somewhere along the line, something said to you, this girl here too young, or she look young. Let me see your ID, my girl. Let me see your ID. We know that some of the man them go on billions away, you know, and try to use, oh, she look older as an excuse, right? But you using that excuse is not an acceptable excuse. If me I go lay down with one girl and have sex with her, I want to know her age. At least let me see a driver's license. You know, a driver's license, that's suspicious alone to me. Let me see a government ID then. Because a Jamaica, I don't know, everybody in Jamaica have a driver's license. Let me see a government ID. Your school ID, something. I don't know. The audacity though, I'm saying all that to draw you in to where this is coming from and why I'm saying this about Shaniki Williams. I don't know if we pronounce her name properly, but it's spelled like Shanika with an E at the end, so may I say Shaniki. I don't know what possessed her to think that she can actually go through a rape allegation. She was freed of it. So was Don Query. But we know Jamaica work already. Whether you were convicted or you were freed, I think once that, you ever hear them say, My grandmother always say, if you hear something, if it no gossip, something close to gossip, right? It's never always 100% nothing no gossip. Where there is smoke, there is usually fire. So, for a girl like this now to really think that she could actually go represent Jamaica on an international stage, how? Where? Who are your rapist self I represent them? And I know you might not have been convicted in the court of law, but and like the people that run or manage the pageant, they put out a memo saying that they met with her, Shaniqua Williams, and they don't see her as a criminal because the courts never found her to be that. They don't see her as a criminal. They don't see her as a bad person. They just see her as someone that does not meet the criteria to represent Jamaica on a Miss Jamaica World Pageant level. And also, she would be robbing the other contestants of the competition. She would be robbing the contestants of the competition of their just due, their publicity, their time in the limelight then. Because once she is put into that competition, there's going to be a media frenzy. Oh, that's the girl that was associated with the politician. And you know Jamaica is deeply corrupted and rooted in corruption to a certain level. He's a politician, so he probably got away with it, but it is probably true. I'm just saying, could you imagine the media frenzy that would be taking place? So with that, and at the risk of her causing a media frenzy and a negative, then they could also go and say Jamaicans are using a girl that was allegedly involved in a rape to represent them. What does this say about Jamaica and its tolerance for such acts and these kinds of things? So at the risk of risking the whole pageant, right? Because it's supposed to be a prestigious pageant. So at the risk of risking all that, they would rather drop her. If you ask me, SoFlo TV, me, I gonna say, drop her ass, yes? How the hell she did that thing? Really and truly. SoFlo TV audience, like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Should she have been allowed to represent us on that level? Or should she have been kicked out of the competition like I am hearing that she has been? Alright, leave your comment in the comment section below, man. Gonna go and bear with me, you know. A whole heap of movements are going right now, so if you not see some phone vlog and then you're not seeing enough videos, Brainflow TV, which is the vlog channel with myself and Brains and the Beat. Then you have SoFlo TV, which is my channel, and then you have Brains and the Beat, which is her channel. The videos them slow up because we are in Texas at the moment. We're up on the road. We out here doing money moves, right? And we are waiting for certain things to be put in place so we can get back to vlogging and uploading videos. Right now we are waiting for internet to be installed in the place that we're staying at and these kinds of things. And we have a set date for the internet to be installed, which is the 21st. So I take this time right now to drop this one little video, make we go and talk, you know, feed the channel, feed my audience, and at the same time keep it quality material and keep you up to date on what's going on with us. It's SoFlo TV, and I don't know, you know, I respect what's set to the maximum. I will also say progress. I'm out. Peace.